We have to beat the windstorm coming at 10 a.m. It is now 8:30. We have an hour and a half to do a quick breakfast ride. Here we go. This is our second ride of the week. It is plus 4 degrees Celsius, but it feels like negative 2 degrees Celsius. Sun is taking a peek. Let's check. I think we had plus 2, plus 4 overnight. No melting. Nice to be out early in the morning. It's just that the roads are still wet. Look at the frozen waterfalls there. Mini waterfalls. I should have brought the drone. Yeah. Morning dew. Nice. You wait here? Yes, I'm gonna have my apple fritter.
Hi guys.
Morning.
Hello, morning.
So beautiful. Yeah. Oh, enjoy. Thanks.
Thank you. Look at the sun. Okay, now let's enjoy our breakfast. This is our breakfast. So dirty now, look.
Let us not forget that I am not. Maybe I'll take them all. Take them on the bed. Don't forget. Everything? Yeah. So then have a good ride.
Hi guys.
Bye.
Enjoy the day. Thank you. Storm is on its way. to wash them. No, over there. In front of the car. Okay guys, that's it. That was a good 35-kilometer ride. A little bit of wind, wet roads. Weather was almost perfect. It wasn't that cold. I hope you guys liked today's video. And if you guys did, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Adios.